Hello, my name is Andre, and in today's tutorial we will try to find out more about Learning App. Learning App is a platform that provides us a series of free templates for various tests presented in a form of a game that can be very interesting and attractive to our students. In order to use the platform, of course, we need first to register. To register, press the login button and then register account and fill in the data required by the application. In the panel that opens, on the top bar, we have the Browse App, Create Collection buttons. Pressing the Browse App button opens the already created exercise panel where we can select and use apps that fits our activities. Applications are also grounded by domain, and you can select to display only those in a specific domain. The Create App button opens the template console from where we can select an activity template for the application we want to create. We can select any template and the window opens where we have examples of applications where that template was used. We can select templates like matching pair, group assignment, matching pair or images, group puzzle, crossword, word grid, guess, pairing games. We select pairing game, and in the window that opens we notice that it is the old game in which we have to return the paired cards simultaneously. There are many other well-known types of games that I leave you to discover for yourself. Go to Create Collection tab and press the Create New Collection button. In the collection title field, fill in the title of the lesson for which we want to send the students exercises, or a title that is as descriptive as possible for the proposed topic. If we check Unlock Apps in Sequence, the application will not allow students to choose which exercise they want to play, but only sequentially. An exercise cannot be opened before the previous one has been completed. We check Track Work Status to track students' progress. If we want anyone to be able to add exercises to our collection, check Allow Create or Add New Apps. In the Background Image field, we can select a background image for our collection. We can search directly from the application for a more descriptive image. Select the image you want and press the Use This button. In the Feedback field, we can enter a message that will be displayed after solving the exercises. And in the description field, we can enter a description or any message that will be displayed when opening the collection. Click the Save Collection button. The platform immediately directs us to the newly created collection. From this moment, we will find the created collection in the My Stuff section. Being at the beginning, I choose not to create an exercise at all and first to look for if someone else did exercises on the same topic before me. My topic is addition and subtraction. I go to the search field and type what I want to search for and press enter on the keyboard. The search page opens with the results found. I hover the mouse over them to see the description. I open one of them to see if it matches what I set out to do. The welcome message tells me that this exercise contains additions and subtractions by 14. I go further and notice that it is an exercise that can be played with others or with the computer. I choose to play with the computer. This type of exercise is also intended to develop students' competitive spirit. The exercise is carried out with questions. The answers can be entered in a dedicated field. If I think the app partially matches what I want for my students but requires some adjustments, click the Create Similar App button to create an app starting from the open one. I change the description because my app wants to check additions and subtractions with any number, not just 14. I can modify each exercise, including their requirements. I can delete one or more items and add others. I'm deleting some of the items now. Click the Finish Editing button to save the changes. Click the Save App button to save and then test the app. If I access My Stuff section, I notice that the application modified by me has been saved in my section. I'm looking again because I want to send more applications to students. I go to the next search page and choose another exercise. I notice that this exercise has multiple answers and the questions are done through pictures. I choose to save this exercise without modifying it by clicking the bookmark button in my apps. I'm automatically redirected to my stuff where I can find the exercise I just saved. Open the previously created collection and press the Edit Collection button. Click the Add Apps button and the window will open where you can select the last viewed or My Apps exercises. Select the applications you want in the collection and press the Add Selected Apps button. Applications are now added to my collection. I saved the collection that now contains the 2 previously introduced exercises. At the bottom, we see several links through which we can distribute the created collection, including a QR code. I copied the link to share with my students via email. I am now emailing the link to my students, and they can access the link directly from their email without the need for registration. I'm going to solve the first exercise. At the end of the exercise, I am shown the statistics with the results. At the end of the exercise, the student enters the name after which the teacher will recognize him. After the student has completed the first exercise, if I go to my teacher's account and press the Overview button, in the window that opens, I can see that a student has completed one of the exercises, green check mark. I go back to the student's account and open exercise 2. I solve it too. I go back to the teacher's account and notice that the student has solved both exercises. Here are all the student's solutions. For a quick view, I can go to my stuff and without opening the collection, I can see that only one student had solved the sent collection. This video was created under Adapted Accessibility for All project funded by Erasmus+. My name is Andrei. I hope you liked it, you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching until the end. For more, please follow our Facebook page.